How to delete or how to uninstall all apps on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you to the steps on how you can delete all the apps on your iPhone. Well, you have two different options in order to remove all the apps from your iPhone. Now it is quite simple, however it is a bit long process. Now if you can either remove them from your home screen, from the home screen, you can tap and hold on the particular app and you'll get the option to remove app, tap on remove, and now you'll get the option whether you want to remove it just from your home screen or you want to delete the app itself from the device, so you can choose particular option. However, the other way is you can head over to your settings and then scroll down and head into apps option, and now here one by one you can head into it and you can go ahead and delete the apps that you have installed. So this is how you can easily delete all the apps on your iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.